Hold on tight, okay?
Hey, Jay. Roll set?
Yeah.
All right. Hey. So I don't know how far you get. We got a spot right behind here, right? You just want to take a look at it?
I don't know if the spot. You just listen to
It's right now.
yeah.
It's
Not, I don't think it's a spot where I don't think that's going to be.
Okay. All right. All right. I got to start drawing back. We got more stuff coming in. So it hasn't arrived yet.
Right.
Which is the more the draw.
Right.
Okay. So.
Like I said, I think we're visible enough. I mean, I don't have a problem with the spot.
You know the wall is going up here. The wall is come up here.
Right here on the side. Right here. And that's kind of where I was saying the bull right is probably better here. It's the lighting at night. It's going to be better hit here. At night, it'll be low, clear shot.
Put the bull there.
That's mine.
Put the wall there.
That's where I'm
And the
going.
boundary house. Put that over there.
That's where I'm going.
Let's just put the wall, maybe put the wall there.
Either way,
Put the boundary house here.
yeah.
Get the little put
I don't want to disturb the views. You know, I want to keep clear shots and really going to cross.
Right.
Okay? Yeah.
Right. You put it in there. Exactly. You got it. Good job. Come on this way, buddy. This way, buddy.
Who is this guy doing this?
Here you go. Thanks, guys.
Oh, this is awesome. No, I just put on. I think something funny happened. Yeah, they should have done cake. No, then they'll get sick. I can't eat a lot of cake. You're gonna have too much eggs in yours.
Eric!
Alive.
I'm gonna go like. Focus on what I'm gonna do, Mom.
All right. How many kids? How many we got?
I know, I'm just wondering. It smells like milk soup. I can win it.
You're not doing it? It's photos, actually. You better win. You win. You're gonna have a lot.
No hands, all face, okay?
Oh my God!
All face. That's it. Go!
Shannon, get in there! Come on! I hate you all! Keep going, Eric. Did that.
Look at Justin.
Come on, Justin.
Good job, Pat.
Oh, Justin. Dude, he's gonna win.
There.
Justin, got it. Come on, Justin.
Oh, wait a minute. This is going to be close.
And their siblings. Keep
Keep
going, Eric. Oh my God.
Come on, Justin. Come on, Eric. Come on, Justin.
Come on.
Come on, Eric.
Come on, Justin. Come on. Come on, Justin. Come on, Biz. Come on. Biz.
Done.
One, two.
She's done.
Shannon.
Look at this. We're gonna puke. Bring it in.
No!
Bring it in.
Go.
Go.
You did a good job too, bud.
Come on, Bill. Did I finish this? Did you finish it?
I didn't finish it. I will let you finish it.
Thank you.
Shove it in your face. I will let you finish it.
I don't know if it's time.
Look at Nana. Come here.
Right. You gotta wipe on your face. Let me see cheese. Are we on some cheese?
Who's got more?
I
think, yeah, I think he does. Him too. I think he's got a little bit more.
That's
That. So like close.
That's close. That's very close.
Let's make it as high.
Yeah.
Wow.
Gotta make a judge decision, man. Pick
Where's
one.
the judge? Where's the judge?
He's the judge.
All right, come on, guys.
I definitely know what
Let's go. Ileana.
I think this one's a little bit more, right? There's a little bit in the corner back there.
Yeah.
It's awful
got
close.
less?
Very close.
She's first, he's second. That's it. Buzz Biz. Biz. Woo woo.
Told you, Justin.
I
thought it was going to be Justin. Wait, did I get a second?
I don't
I think you got second. Am I allowed to finish this?
You got
Am I allowed to finish this?
I have a bathing suit.
All right.
1, 2, get his name.
What's your name?
Yeah, it's my only I found mine. I found mine.
You didn't have enough. Okay. All right. Hold on. I gotta see what they have.
Want to have dinner now?
We're still trying to figure out. After this, yeah, I'm like.
After this, I want dinner. That is your dinner, Eric.
That's not
No, he goes.
You only have 5 seconds to finish it. Now.
Go, Eric.
Hurry.
Let's get the prize. Hey, you three, the 3 winners. See the prize. What's that? You're in 3rd place. She's first.
Hey.
He's second. You're 3rd. It was close, man. I gotta give you a close.
Vicky's like, I'm not done eating though. Still a little bit.
Last call for belly dancers.
They're all dirty.
What's a belly dance? Alright, I'm gonna get cut off.
Well, the pictures. He's going to tell you in a minute.
Eat great.
Yeah, you didn't cook.
Oh, Justin. You just got pie.
Is there anything up in this?
I don't know, bud.
Oh my God, Eric. Do they have to stay here or for a minute?
The other guy went to go get, see what's where the prices are.
Oh.
I think I got in second. No.
Oh, not the air.
That's it.
Really, Eric?
No more. No mas.
Oh God.
I just got second. I need a second.
Yeah, just hang out for a minute or two. He went to go get.
Don't like little doggy.
Huh? No. Wow, hold it up. Hold it up so we can see. Oh, you got this. Okay, one more. Oh, yeah. Nana wants to take one step. Hold your number in front of you. One down top and one wrong. That's all right.
No.
Next. I can do that, that's easy.
Okay, jump. Whoa, whoa,
Like this, you're not seeing that. Yeah, I am. What do you mean? Yeah, I don't miss. Okay, I didn't need all you want. That's okay. I can do that. Ready?
Alright, don't flip it.
Okay.
You guys got 2 minutes, alright?
2, 1. 2. We just got in here. Wait, we only got 2 minutes. We only have 2 minutes. Mom, we have 2 more minutes left. After 2 minutes, can we come back in? What? No, you. We're fine. Well, but we can do this. What? Ready? Guys, ready? I'm gonna turn so high. If you guys I'm gonna jump higher. What if you have to touch that? You guys have to touch that. That blue thing? Acting you.
Alright guys, your time's up. Get out.
You did it?
She thought I meant is that I went into and then closed one. So no, it's just open. Very, very welcome. Matthew, Eric, sit down. Sit. When we went to John, there's this woman that she displays all these Christmas trees and flowers. And she had the whole, the whole way. They all started decorate in these like sprays everywhere. Okay, the planters. And you should see a Christmas tree. Oh God, I can imagine. And I think she passed away this year. Oh, really? Yeah, she was saying something when she goes to the law school. Hey, Mac. I wish they had those swirly ones like the other night. They were cool. They went around and around and around for like a good couple of minutes. Did you ever notice the white ones make the loudest sound? Yeah. come here.
Now mine just bring me to go get her.
Go get what?
Now I'm more.
Can you put this? Put it back over there.